It's almost that time again for the biggest education technology event in the world. Yes, SCAN will be back at BETT from January the 21st to the 23rd, showcasing how cutting-edge technology can empower teaching, learning and student engagement. With over 35,000 educators, leaders and innovators from more than 130 countries, BETT is where the global education community comes together to explore the tools shaping the future of learning. On the SCAN stand this year, we'll have an immersive esports setup demonstrating how competitive gaming can build teamwork, digital skills and engagement. You can also get hands-on in a live production setup as we demonstrate how media and content creation can inspire creativity in students. Plus, we have emerging technology demos including robotics and coding, ideal for STEM educators looking to bring learning to life. All of SCAN's solutions will be powered by our 3XS systems, setting the benchmark for reliability and performance in modern learning environments. Don't miss your chance to see how technology is transforming education. Join us at stand NJ70 at BETT UK 2026 and experience the future of EdTech with SCAN.